Hello everyone! Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay ang parts of speech, specifically ang nouns or noun. Noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or an idea. For example natin sa person, meron tayong uncle, doctor, baby, Luisa, or son-in-law. Sa place naman, we have kitchen, mountain, and website. While sa thing, we have apple, tulip, and continent. Sa idea naman, we have respect, pride, love. Itong mga nouns na to, meron tinatawag tayong singular and plural nouns. Pag sinabi nating singular, isa lang ang tinutukoy. For example, doctor. Pero kapag plural, two or more ang tinutukoy. For example, doctors. Anong napansin nyo? May dinagdag na letter S. Nouns can be singular or plural depending on whether they name one person, place, thing, or an idea, or more than one. To form the plural of most nouns, simply add S. To form the plural of nouns, you simply add S. Other plural nouns are formed in different ways. Pero hanggang dito na lamang muna at sa susunod na episode natin ipagpapatuloy kung paano yung different ways na tinutukoy sa pag-form ng plural nouns. Ulit-ulitin lamang natin ang video na ito para naman makapag-review tayo for our next quiz sa pag-form ng plural nouns using or adding S. Thank you! Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Goodbye and God bless. Happy learning!